Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, good evening and welcome back in. A severe thunderstorm watch in place for all of the counties highlighted in yellow until 11 p.m. So far tonight, it's been a bit of a struggle to get some storms to fire up for us as a cold front is working in. Now, we see to the northeast that there are a bunch of warnings working into West Virginia. We have just one warning right now in far northeastern Kentucky, a part of that. But any storm that does pop up here for us could turn severe and rather quickly. There's plenty of the ingredients we need. The thing we're really kind of missing right now is what gets them started. If we flip over to see what the radar is currently doing, we'll notice that there is a couple of storms starting to come up right now along the Casey and Boyle County line. There is an isolated cell beginning to go, and it's got lightning with it. That'll be the main one that we're going to focus on, because if it's starting to get going like that, it's likely getting past what is prohibiting most other cells from popping up. If it can do that, it's going to tap into plenty of energy. We could see a couple warnings come as that storm continues to strengthen as it moves to the east. Again, anything along the line is going to be possible here. We just have a little bit of inhibition keeping things from moving along. Now, we'll keep an eye on how that plays out for tonight. You saw the watch. We've been in the level 2 risk for some severe storms. Better chance where it's already ongoing in the level 3 zone, Charleston and beyond to the east, but right now everywhere in the yellow shaded area is also in that watch. And the threats are going to be, again, for these isolated instances, damaging winds, very large hail, and a very outside chance at an isolated tornado. Not expecting much else out of these storms as they roll through. And again, it's been rather hard to get them going. Futurecast missing on this a little bit right now, so take that with a grain of salt. It says that there should be a couple of cells already ongoing. They're not quite there yet, but it does have more development taking off here into the overnight. By this time, though, when we get towards 11 to 12 o'clock, we're probably going to be seeing the ingredients for severe weather drop away quickly. This is gone before we wake up tomorrow, and we go right back into the sunshine, albeit cooler, as we go throughout our Tuesday. So keep your alerts on as tonight rolls on. More chances for some cells are still going to be in the mix. Today, temperatures were very warm. This is where all the energy came from. Look at this, 85 in London, 84 in Somerset. Richmond and Danville both at 81, while we got stuck at 77 for our high here in Lexington. Still very warm, still above average. Temperatures now, though, as we roll into the rest of tonight, drop through the 60s into the 50s and bottom out somewhere in the upper 40s. And because that cold front's coming through, we only top out tomorrow somewhere in the mid 50s at best, thanks to some gusty northwest winds. That is the other piece of information we're going to be tracking for your day tomorrow, is that wind gusts popping upwards of 30+ miles an hour through a good chunk of the day is going to be keeping those colder temperatures around, and it'll be noticeably cooler compared to today by a good margin. In fact, in some spots almost 30 degrees as we roll through our Tuesday. So much cooler, trending drier, mid-50s. By Wednesday, we're talking about right back towards 60, more sunshine, a little closer to average, but then Thursday, another nice day, 66 with some seasonable temps. It just gets better from there. As we go into the weekend, we're going to be seeing Friday and beyond the chance for a string of 70s to develop, and we'll be watching another opportunity for some scattered showers and storms late Friday night into Saturday morning, and then again Saturday evening into Sunday morning. Chance for some scattered activity there as we get into Sunday and beyond. Those storms are going to start to trend a bit drier through later parts of the day. That's your Easter Sunday, by the way. As we get into Easter weekend, a little bit of activity expected. We are going to see those 70s, though, and a lingering chance for some storms into early next week.